This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, October 15th, 2019. Soon I got a call from my dentist. He's got a bunch of income property and got like a 4-family house over there that I work on once in a while. The lady on this, one of the apartments, the lady's got a bunch of rabbits in there. She's kind of real nasty. I mean, the rabbits are running around free in the apartment. I've done videos of this place before, but there's a leak that's leaking down into the first floor. Pretty bad leak. They think it's coming from the bathroom area, and I'm gonna go over there and see if I can find out why there's water coming from the second floor down into the first. I mean, it's stained the ceiling, and the paint's peeling off the wall, and pretty bad. So the lady sent me a text with a picture of it. So there's definitely a drastic leak. Something's going on there. So I'm on my way over there now and see if we can locate what's leaking and fix it. The guy on the first floor, he's usually not there. I think he works third shift or something. Usually I try to get in over there, he's not around. So if I find a leak on the second floor, I'll fix it, and then I'll tell him to call me back if it continues. So try to get you some shots. Might be interesting. The rabbit lady.
Took it off. He had to take the pipe off to unclog it.
And all the water dumped?
Yeah.
Okay, because they were complaining.
I don't know how much because I wasn't here. But it actually looked like a dead mouse was in there.
A dead mouse?
Yeah. Would there be a dead mouse in the pipe?
I don't think a dead mouse would be in the pipe. It'd probably be outside somewhere. Alright, so...
It was a big clump of fuzzy.
Yeah, it's probably hair. I don't think it was a mouse. It was probably hair.
But it had a tail.
Did you wash your hair in the sink?
No.
No. So he did fix it. He did fix the leak. Did you tell Donna that? No?
No.
No.
Like I said, I have been at my daughter's.
Oh, we still got a leak. It's still leaking. What the hell's leaking here?
It's still leaking?
Yeah, I just seen the drops. Yeah, the hose is leaking.
The hose?
Yeah. The hose, the spray hose, yeah, it's probably leaking from here.
That was replaced not that long ago.
Something's dripping.
I see that.
Well, it's dripping from the it's dripping from the hose, so unless it's the packing nut. Something's dripping. Unless it's loose up top there. Could be running down there. I think it's leaking. It's wet. It's wet. Well, this is all leaking, that's why.
Because I need to wash it.
All the water in this flipping pot. Holy shit.
What?
Phone's leaking.
A lot?
Well, any kind of leak, you can't have it because now you're running water down into the tenant's house, right? You know what I'm saying? And he's complaining that.
He's always complaining.
Well, they just redid the ceiling and the thing was just.
I know they did, yeah.
See, this thing's just flipping leaking everywhere. Might have to just replace the whole faucet. See how this is all leaking here? It's all wet.
Yeah, that's why I have a piece of spinach there.
Yeah, I gotta replace the faucet. I gotta put a new faucet in there. So what we're gonna need to do is gonna need to clean this out or something. I mean, I gotta climb under this thing. There's all mice shit everywhere.
Yeah, they had a mouse problem. I'm the only one without a dog, so I'm the one.
I gotta change the faucet. So I don't know if you got like a towel that we could lay down here, so I could lay in here and like a bath towel or something. Do you have like a bath towel?
Yeah.
I could lay it in here so I could change the faucet. I'll get one out of the truck and we'll take care of it. All right.
High school, they told he was up for re-enlistment, and he could take the 3 places he wanted to go. They gave him a list of places that needed a chief master at arms.
So you got a new faucet and a new sprayer in there. Just make sure nothing's leaking. The sprayer works. I put some towels down here, so as long as it's not leaking, that's what my biggest concern is. I'm gonna have to do something with this.
So my father went to re-enlist, and I was going to send him to school. She said, I'm not taking my family to Guam. I said, I'm not resigning.
Alright, that's probably gonna take care of it. And the major flood probably came when your son did the drain, but that faucet was leaking, needed changing. You gotta get some new shower curtains, because that definitely could be a leak situation.
Oh, I would never take a shower without a curtain. My mama raised me better.
Got a big spider here.
This house is full of daddy long legs. As long as they don't come near me, I'm fine with them. When they get in my area, then I smash them.
Yeah, he's not liking that. He's a big one over there.
Yeah.
He might bite you in the cooch.
No, he's going to make the mistake of coming where I can easily reach him, and then
And you're gonna get him.
I'm gonna get him. That's
He
why
might get you in the coochie.
That's why I wear flip-flops. They come off real quick, sweat them back, and go back on real quick.
So I don't see any leaks. Toilet don't seem to be leaking. It must have been that it's pretty dry in here. Yeah, no leaks here. No. That looks dry. Alright, I think that's probably, and obviously, you gotta definitely do a new curtain, you know that.
Oh yeah, I've got.
You love driving. You want to drive. You love driving. I know you love driving.